Is it possible to make 7,000 using liquidity combined with candlestick psychology? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate whether you are a beginner or experienced trader. So for the platform settings, I'm going to be using 30 seconds, right? And for the expiration, I'm gonna switch it from the flag mode to the regular timer now. And the regular timer, I'm using 1 minute because my candlestick time frame is 30 seconds. If you want to use 1 minute candlestick, you can, and then you can put the timer to 2 minutes. Okay, so you don't have to trade the 30 seconds. I'm just doing that so I can find more opportunity quicker. Okay, so I took this for 2 trades right here. I'm going to, oh my god, my entry is bad right there. I wanted to take more on this because this trade is amazing, guys. This one is one of the clean ones, as you see right here. Okay, how do you identify liquidity in the market? This is the big question right here, right? Now I'm going to show you that. You see, there is a drop-based drop right here, okay? Now, with drop-based drop, that is for the sellers. Okay, and you have rally based rally, that is for the buyers. So for the buyers and the sellers, it's the opposite. Okay, I'm going to show you for the seller, the buyers rally based rally, and I'm going to show you the sellers drop based drop. So for right here is the sellers. You see, drop based drop, the price break the structure right here. There was a break of structure right here, and then the price came back, and what did it do? It gave me an opportunity right here. Guys, I'm going to keep on explaining this and the next trade. There's so much. So I'm taking 4 trades on that one. This trade is amazing because this break of structure, not only was it a break of structure, there was a shift in the market. And this is the beauty about liquidity, guys. You notice how the price is moving very good. Guys, I'm going to say something to you. This is one of my top tier strategy. Okay, like this is like, I didn't even want to share this strategy, to be honest, but I did because of the love I have for you guys. But anyway, I don't want to talk about that. I want to talk about the strategy. Now, this strategy right here, what do we look for? This is a what? Break of structure to the downside. So that means we are looking for a sell opportunity because there was a rally based rally going higher. Break the structure, the price came back, and it sweeps all the liquidity. So this right here was a liquidity sweep. Okay, and then I took the trade and see what happened. It was a good result. Now I'm going to continue speaking about liquidity and the next trade. Apply for mentorship to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level. Without deep knowledge, it's difficult to be profitable. If your goal is to be profitable, link is in description to apply for mentorship. Okay, so I'm taking this one right here, guys. I almost missed this opportunity right here. Okay, so right here there was a what? There was a liquidity sweep. I'm going to show you something. Look at this right here. I have 2 reasons why I took this trade. I'm going to show you. This is a what? Liquidity sweep right here. And then there was a what? A trend line right there. So that's the reason why I took this trade, guys. So this trade right here was a combination of the liquidity sweep and the trend line. Now, as you can see right here, the price is dropping massively because the liquidity was already swept and the trend line also confirmed it. Plus, you know, I'm using candlestick psychology also to notice if all these are good combinations, and yes, they are good. That's the reason why I took the trade, and you see it works out very beautiful. Let's continue talking about liquidity and stuff on the next trade. I'm going heavy right here because this trade is so beautiful, guys. I don't even know where to start explain to you how beautiful this trade is. Now, if you are a long-term, if you are like a long-time subscriber to this channel or long-time viewer, whatever it is, you know that this trade here is beautiful even without the liquidity. Okay. Now the reason why I said that, you notice there was a what? Inside gap, engulfing candle. And then we have the liquidity sweep right here because there was a break of structure to the downside. I want to say something. When you see a break of structure to the downside, it means that buyers are taking control of the market. This is the reason why liquidity sweep is so strong and it's so important. Like, liquidity sweep shows you reversal in the market, right? So this was a seller's reversal in the market. It's reversing the price in the seller's favor. If you want to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship. This will be the end of my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.